And to introduce the second film to be awarded the Gawad Lente for the 2025 Parangal ng Sining Annual Achievement Award is the newly minted Director General of the Film Academy of the Philippines. Give a big hand for Direk Paulo Villaluna.
Simula noong 1956, ang Pilipinas ay nagpapadala na ng entry sa Best International Feature Film category ng Academy Awards. Itong sunod na pelikulang paparangalan natin ay ang tanging Filipino animated film na pinadala natin sa Oscars. Pero sa katunayan, ito ang kauna-unahang animated film na pinadala sa Oscars from Southeast Asia. So it's a major achievement. Ang pelikulang ito ay Tagalog, Ilocano, rotoscope sci-fi drama na tungkol sa isang animator na humaharap sa mga nakabaong trauma habang nakikisalamuha sa isang misteryong alien sa kanyang nakaraan. I'm actually a big fan of the film. Ito ay makabago, kahanga-hanga ang kanyang direksyon at sadyang maganda. Ito ang E.T. Mapukpukaw.
With everyone in the selection committee, we are proud and honored, to share with you the Philippine entry to the Best International Feature Film of the 1996 Academy Award.
So yung E.T. or yung The Missing, well, it's about trauma, repressed trauma, and dissociation. I took inspiration from personal experience and put it into screen, and as a means for, actually it's a means for recovery. It's tender, it's hopeful, it's loving, showing na yung importance of a good support system.
With its unique and light animation, the film creates a sanctuary for those who understand the profound themes of grief and longing, offering a safe space to process and heal. At its core, it urges us to confront the past, find peace, and move forward.
So yung film, it's a rotoscope animation and 2D. Kasi actually dun sa poster, makita nyo, nandun yung dalawang styles eh. Usually kasi when I make films, I want the visuals or yung kung ano yung ginagawa namin. It has to have meaning. In yung 2D hand-drawn animation, it's more of ano yung memory ng tao na that is stuck in childhood. I think nakatulong din yung visuals kasi ayoko na magbuka siyang harsh din nung pinlano ko siya. Kailangan soft din yung feeling nung ano. Kasi mabigat na yung film eh. Parang kailangan may layer over it that would parang cushion things. So everything that happened afterwards, it's a plus. Pero in a way, there's parang it's always been a goal to reach out to other people. Yung voice kasi natin is our way to protect ourselves and to fight back. So,
this groundbreaking animated film made history, winning the Balanghay Trophy for Best Film at the 19th Cinemalaya Philippine Independent Film Festival, along with Best Picture, Best Animation, and Best Sound at the Gawad Urian Awards. Its innovative use of technology brought to life the powerful journey of a young man confronting his past, making it the first full-length rotoscope animated film featured in Cinemalaya. While it didn't receive an Oscar nod, it triumphed at the 17th Asia-Pacific Screen Awards, winning Best Animated Film in Gold Coast, Australia.
Nakakataba ng puso na ma-recognize na yung very micro-budgeted naming animation ay naka parang go hand in hand with other films that are bigger. So even watching E.T., you would say, I think na-accomplish ko naman na in a way na it would make you feel na very personal to sa taong mo. Sa team ng E.T., congratulations sa atin at salamat sa pagtulong sa akin tsaka pagsama sa akin sa pagkwento ng kwento ni Eric na naging kwento rin ng ibang mga tao. Giving time to others, it means love. So thank you for sharing your love to me.
The 2025 Parangal ng Sining Annual Achievement Award is given to Carl Joseph Papa's E.T. Mapukpukaw.
To accept the award are writer-director Carl Joseph Papa and members of the team behind E.T. Mapukpukaw, Gio Lumuntad, Sara Perez, Joseph Brillantes, Benjamin Tolentino, and Nessa Valdelion.
Sorry, hindi ako handa. Alam ko na may award pero hindi ko in-expect na mag-speech. So, pag masuka ako, kasalanan po ng FDCP. Sorry. Maraming salamat po, FDCP, para sa award na ito. Ginawa po namin itong film na to for Cinemalaya, pero ang una po naming dahilan kung bakit ginawa namin ito ay para makapaghatid ng mensahe ng pagmamahal at pag-asa para sa mga naging biktima ng sexual abuse. Ninanais po namin na ang pelikulang ito ay maging refuge ng mga iba pang mga victims at para makatulong sa kanilang mga pinagdadaanan. Dahil po sa Cinemalaya, sa FDCP, at sa mga marami pang tumulong sa amin, ay nabigyan namin ng boses, ang mga inalisan ng boses. Kaya marami pong salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat ulit, FDCP, NCCA, sa Cinemalaya, Purin Pictures, GMA, Public Affairs, Kinesa, sa mga baliw at naniwala na kaya namin itong gawin. Project 8, sorry. Sa aming mga artista na si Carlo Aquino, si Gio Gahol at si Dolly De Leon na pumayag at sumama sa amin sa paggawa at pagkwento ng E.T. Yung animation po in its truest meaning, it means to give life. Sana po nabigyan po namin ng buhay ang mga kwento na mga dapat ikwento through animation. Sana po itong award na ito ay maging instrumental na para mabigyan pa ng avenue ang mga original content for animation. Buhay po ang animation industry sa Pilipinas, pero sana po mag-risk po tayo na gumawa ng mga animated original content. Para ito sa buong The Missing Team, Project 8 Projects, sa aking mga producers, si Gio, si Dance, Tonet, si Nessa, at sa aking 80 animators na hindi nakasama ngayong gabi dahil mapupuno itong ang event na ito. Pero salamat dahil para ito sa lahat ng nangangarap at para ito sa animation industry natin sa Pilipinas. Sana bigyan niyo pa kami ng chance na makapagkwento ng maraming kwento. Marami pong salamat, FDC.
Congratulations to Director Carl Joseph Papa at sa lahat po ng kasama sa E.T. Mapukpukaw.